Hi, Shari. Hi, Angelita. How are you ladies doing?
Awesome.
We're doing good. We're doing good.
Great, great, great. Now, tell me a little bit about the site and how the name came about, all of that.
So Deja is owned by 5 brothers and sisters, and before we got the hotel, we could not decide on a name, and up to 1 week before, we still hadn't decided on a name. So we decided that we'd just lock ourselves in a room until we could come up with something. So my brother actually suggested Deja, and we all liked it. And when we, Googled the name, it said it's like you've been here before. It gives you the feeling that you've been here, like you're home, like you belong here. And that's the sentiment we want to push across. That you're part of who we are and that this is your place.
Tell me about your roles here.
So I am the front office and reservations manager here at Deja.
AKA #1 troublemaker.
Occasionally, so some days I'm chocolate, Gotta have it every day.
And I am the rooms division manager, so I oversee front office, housekeeping, and several other departments.
All right, awesome. So when people come to Deja, what can they really expect?
So when you want to take it or you want me to? So when everybody comes to Deja, I think the most welcoming thing is us as staff, us as people here on property, because we ensure that you feel at home when you're here. So we try to get to know you, know what you like, know what type of food, the environment. So the environment is really welcoming, as we're 100% Jamaican. So we have Jamaican food, 100% Jamaican staff, entertainment and everything. So you get that feeling when you come here to just have fun and enjoy. It's like you're coming back home, even if it's your first time.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit more about the amenities, the food, all of that.
So we do have everything packed into this intimate resort. We have a restaurant, we have restaurants, we have bars, we have the gym, we have the spa. But what stands out about us, what's extra special about us is the way we make you feel. And because we are small enough to know our guests more intimately and know what they like, it gives them a different experience. But what really stands out about us is the way we make customers feel, the way we get to know them one-on-one. We know that they like milk in their coffee. We know they like 1 dumpling instead of 2, or sometimes 2 dumplings instead of 1. But we get to know them and we anticipate what they want before they even have the chance to ask for it.
All right, so when patrons come here, what is there to do? Explain all that is here.
As a family resort, we have entertainment for every age group. So we have a kids club where the kids can go do the face painting, the puppet making, and all the kids' activities, because we have a coordinator on property that does that. We have our games area for the teens. They want to be alone, so they have their pool table, their chess. They have different things that they can use. And of course, we do nightly entertainment. So every night there is either game shows or live entertainment. For example, on a Tuesday night, we do our reggae street party. So this is where we're outside with the jerk pan, so you can actually, if you're a tourist, you can actually see how the jerk chicken is being prepared. We have the jelly coconut, and of course, Jamaican entertainment. So the steel drum, the street dancers, we teach you how to break it down like Jamaicans, We teach you all of that, and you get to experience our culture because we give you history class, trivia class. So it's not just coming here just for the property, but you get to learn a little bit about our culture and about Jamaica on a whole. So we do have entertainment and everything for everybody. So we have a little bit of everything, as Michelle said. We have everything right in this little intimate, all-inclusive Jamaican resort.
Yes.
Tell us, go in depth with the amenities, and also, what's the menu like?
So I just wanted to add on top of what she just said, that our main aim here at Deja is to give them a full Jamaican experience. So apart from that, our location being in the middle of the hip strip of Jamaica Boulevard, we immerse people into the culture of Jamaica. So not only on property, you can step right out. There's shopping, there's restaurants, there's nightclubs, there's the famous Doctor's Cave Beach. So all of this is just steps away from the hotel. So we want not only foreigners but locals alike to come and experience the full Jamaica. Now, and in terms of food, you asked about food. That's one of our specialties. And if you look online, you'll see them talk about food. And later on, you'll get to meet our chef, our head chef. But we serve authentic Jamaican food. Our curry goat is a real curry goat, like what your grandmother would make. Our oxtail is a real oxtail. Ackee and saltfish, you name it. Any Jamaican dish, you'll get it for your stay here. Not to say that we don't have other dishes from American style menu, like scrambled eggs, omelets, that sort of thing. That offering is there for those who don't want to adventure too much into Jamaican food. But we offer a wide variety. And if you have a client who wants something special, we're small enough to do it for them.
How has operations been from the start of the year? How are you guys coping? And what's the turnout like?
Well, Deja is always buzzing. Always buzzing. There's really never a dull moment at Deja. And as we said before, it's for everyone. Everyone. We have guests from overseas, from the US market, from Europe, from Asia, from India, and we have a wide population of Jamaican guests that come back.
Are repeats.
We have corporate guests that come and stay with us. So it's a nice vibe and it's a nice mix, and people get to meet new people, get to mingle, it's hard to explain in words, I wish I could send across the sentiment over the video, but it's a place you just enjoy being.
And we're happy that our Jamaicans are feeling so welcome when they're here, so they enjoy it so much that they keep coming back and bringing their friends and everybody just having a good time. So that's a good thing for us too, so we're really happy for that part of it.
Hi everyone, come join us down in the middle of Jamaica Boulevard, Montego Bay, Jamaica, right across from Doctor's Cave Beach. We can't wait to see you.
So we'll wait for just hurry up. St. James. St. James was one of the second group of parishes formed in Jamaica and is said to have been named by Sir Thomas Muddyford in about 1655 for the Duke of York, who later became James II and was the reigning monarch at the time. It was, however, much larger at the time, as it included what are now the separate parishes of Trelawney and Hanover. Additionally, the parish capital of Montego Bay was witness to the final act of slave uprising in the island prior to emancipation. Known as the Christmas Rebellion of 1831 to 1832, it began at Kensington Estate and engulfed the entire western section of Jamaica.
Hey Stephen, what's on the menu today?
Hi JABration family, today I'll be preparing some Jamaican oxtail with rice and peas, and to complement that dish, we top it off with a frozen Bob Marley daiquiri.